Hello everyone and welcome to the Create an Algorithmic Trading Bot using Python and Quantopian course. This course will be completely free for everyone on YouTube and will not be monetized at all. By the end of this course you should be able to know how to create your own algorithmic trading bot which will follow your own predefined strategy. But before we go into all of this and creating our algorithm, let's get a little information on Quantopian. So what is Quantopian? It is a site that caters to those who want to create and backtest their algorithms and strategies with ease. Quantopian acts as the middleman between executing paper trades and seeing the results. It has data all the way from 2002 and is highly accurate. This is one of the best resources when it comes to trading with Python. Now later on we'll see how to set up algorithms and how to use them, but this is just our introduction video, so let's just start talking about the main parts of Quantopian. So there's three main parts, and those are the pipeline, algo, and notebooks. Now let's start with pipeline. Now you don't have to remember this, but pipeline is the dynamic stock selector that Quantopian has created. Now let's say that you want to find stocks that have fallen more than 10% yesterday. You can find that with pipeline. Personally, we will not be using pipeline as our strategy will stick to safer stocks that we know about, but this is always an option if you get more advanced. Now next we have our algorithm itself. So this is the one we are focusing on, and it is probably the most popular part of Quantopian. Now our algo serves as the backend logic that is used to execute our buy and sells in terms of our document or algorithm. Now let's say later on our strategy will consist of buying a stock when its RSI shows that it is oversold and selling when it is overbought. Now we'll get into more of this later, but we finally have notebooks as our third main part of Quantopian. Now we will not be using notebooks, but what they are used for is to research statistics, trends, and progress data about the stock market as a whole. So that's a little more advanced for what we're doing in this course, but if you want to learn about it, then Quantopian has an amazing documentation section and a learning tutorial section, so if you're ever stuck then you can look at that. But for now what we're going to do is I want you to know that we will be using an algorithm to execute trades based on our predefined strategy. So for an intro video, I hope that you've learned what Quantopian is, how we will be using algorithm, and that we need a strategy before we start making them. And as a last thing to inform you is that if you ever get stuck in a problem in this course, you can ask in the comments, but you can also use the forum that Quantopian has, and many people will be happy to help. I personally have used it and it is very helpful, and people are very quick to respond, so yeah, don't forget about that. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, but this is just our intro to Quantopian.